Battle Royale. Are you ready?
Ready. Let's get him.
Follow me. Let's stay in the bubble.
Yeah, I can see you. You're in front of me.
Watch out.
Yo, what the fuck is this?
Looks like they have a whole team.
Whole team. No, I would
Here
have
they come, and I don't have any shields.
Time to build.
angry.
I got the walls.
Wait, here they come.
Oh, I got this.
All right. Here comes the boogie.
Sydney, I hear you talking up there. What are you doing?
I'm just finishing.
Well, it's late. Hurry up and finish and go to bed.
Does she know what you're finishing?
Yeah.
No, but I better get to
Wait,
bed.
it's like daytime out. I was about to say it's daylight. Fuck, this is gold. This is fucking gold, bro.
All right. See you at school.
Coming for you.
Oh no. So, yeah, we watched this. And it was so stupid.
No, you don't. Back at ya.
Oh yeah? Here's a block.
I don't think so. Now take this.
Oh man! You got me again.
What is this from, bro?
You know, Liam, Fortnite's much better on the PS5. I don't know why you don't have one.
I wish, but my mom won't get me one.
Well, you gotta butter her up.
No, my mom's birthday is coming up.
What's this about my birthday? From now on, you don't have to play games on your computer.
You're getting me a PlayStation?
No. No, I'm taking away your computer.
What the fuck is...
Liam,
Well, I just got your report card in my email.
Mom, I could explain.
Oh, really? You can explain all C's and one B?
Bro, that's not even... Oh my
Dude,
god.
what are you doing?
this phone, it's still working.
Did you drop it in the toilet?
No, I put it in there. I'm trying to break it.
Why would you wreck a perfectly good phone?
Cause this thing's an old piece of junk.
This is like one of those channels with like, with those bad skits, but these are like even worse.
And I'm tired of Wilbur and his iPhone. I have a reputation to uphold.
Oh, we gotta get to class.
What's the rush?
No, Mom, I put it in my backpack because I didn't want to use that lunchbox.
Well, if it isn't Wilbur and his iPhone Jr.
It's not an iPhone Junior, Lance. It's an iPhone 4.
An iPhone 4. Really? Wait. The dinosaur museum called. They want their phone back.
Well, at least I have an iPhone. All you have is an Android.
Wilbur, what's wrong?
You won't believe it, DJ. Lance was giving me grief about my phone.
Just blow it off.
Just what do you think you're doing? I'm doing Xbox. I'm building my future.
No, you're ruining your future. You need to go and do your homework.
French isn't important. It's not gonna help me get a job.
Well, you're not gonna have any job unless you graduate.
Okay, well, to say that if you have an Xbox, you're a fucking weirdo, and you might shoot your mom, so get rid of that shit.
That's why I'm doing Xbox.
Why does
The more
he
I
say
play,
that?
the
Who
better
says
the job I'll
that?
get.
Well,
I'm
if you don't stop
doing
playing that
Xbox?
thing,
What?
I'm gonna take it away.
Fine, I'll stop and do my homework. But you're not in charge of me. Time for the 9th crystal in the game. Okay, Java, validate module.
What?
What are you doing?
I'm programming.
That's no schoolwork. That's a video game.
I told you, I'm writing a game for Xbox.
I'll stop and do my homework, but you're not in charge of me.
If you want an Xbox game, why don't you mow lawns on the weekends like your neighbor Kevin, and then you can buy one?
You don't understand. Then it wouldn't be my game.
Well, pretty soon, you're not gonna have an Xbox to play it with unless you stop that nonsense and do your French homework.
Fine.
He looked at the camera, bro.
Me a battle royale. So prepare to get a schooling. Ooh, take that. How you doing now?
It's alright. I got plenty of heals.
Taking on damage. I gotta get back to the safe zone.
Oh, it's over now. I just found like 10 mini shields.
Well, it's a good thing I don't have to play her. That would be such a waste of time.
Passengers, welcome to Totally Airlines Flight 445. I'm Captain Connors, and I'll be your chauffeur today.
Mr. Knickerbocker! Mr. Knickerbocker!
Is everything okay?
My patient, he hasn't had his dialysis and he's having a reaction.
Oh my goodness, is there anything we can do?
Do you have an emergency kit?
We do have a defibrillator.
Is there a doctor in the house?
I'll go call for one.
Attention passengers, due to a medical situation on board, we'd like to know if there's a doctor in the house.
We're gonna have the best time. There's so much to do up there.
I bet there is. But isn't it just some lake in the middle of nowhere?
Yeah, but they have a boat. We can go water skiing, fishing, scuba. I love water skiing.
Oh, you mean like scuba duba? Where are you?
No way! Look who's here.
Small world.
It's Russell!
You guys going to Minnesota too?
Yeah, we're doing scuba duba.
We're going to my grandpa's cabin.
That sounds like so much fun.
We're going for the Iron Man competition.
Oh, I saw that movie.
No, it's a competition.
Yeah, like running, swimming, biking?
Yeah, that's it.
Hell no, man. What the fuck?
We're a team.
What's that over there? Oh, miss!
Yes, ma'am. My, that's unusual.
Oh, my husband made that. I'm so sick of these car phones!
My phone stopped working.
Me too. What's with the plane?
Brenda!
Have you seen my phone?
Maybe it fell out the window.
I found the problem in the bathroom.
What is it, Tom?
Somebody flushed this.
Why would somebody flush a brand new phone on an airplane?
Well, it must be somebody who really hates phones.
It's because of you that we had to make this landing in the first place.
What do we have to do with all this?
We know that it was you that flushed the iPhone in the lavatory.
Yeah, his phone! Because he's always on that car phone!